It's a bright, beautiful day here in Pioneer, California. Crews are taking advantage of this mild weather to prepare for the storm that's to come. Amador Fire is kicking storm preparations into full gear.
Something we really want to do is getting our apparatus set up. So we're going to have additional staffing take place. We're bringing in volunteer staffing and paid staff, getting chains on the engine.
Preparing for the big one with the best vehicles they got.
That side by side is staffed with medical equipment, backboards, everything that we would need to get the patient out of, let's say, a long driveway or a long windy driveway to the ambulance, where hopefully it's a paved access road for them to get to the nearest hospital.
And in this sun before the snowstorm, Placer County doing their own preps.
This storm's going to be extra challenging because the snow level is supposed to be pretty low. So that adds to the number of roads that they have to worry about. And they're putting those finishing touches on maintenance, on snow blowing equipment, things like that, moving operators up into Tahoe, getting them ready to be there, when the snow starts falling so they can get a jump on it.
And Palisades Tahoe jumping on avalanche mitigation as they brace themselves for the possibility of full or partial closures of the resort Friday and Saturday.
We do various amount of avalanche mitigation, whether that be ski cutting. We do bombing as well. So setting off charges. We're preparing for a massive storm here at Palisades Tahoe. I mean, this storm could bring in 5 to 8 feet by Sunday morning.
While crews prepare, they ask you do the same.
Warnings coming out with no travel, so we're really encouraging people to prepare their vehicles. Don't travel if you don't have to. If you do have to travel, have your vehicles ready, fill up your tanks today, take advantage of this good weather, have emergency kits in place, really getting your generators prepared.
And with the potential blizzard coming, officials say that this is not the time to travel. Here in Pioneer, California, covering local news that matters, Kristen Vartan, Fox 40 News.